Hey everybody, welcome to GuideLine's mobile application wireframe, which today I'm going to be showing you the user perspective for the GuideLine application. So as you can see, we start with a Google Maps types interface, so it's not overwhelming to the user. It seems familiar, and they'll be very comfortable using it right off the bat. So to start this, we're going to go to the search bar. We're going to pretend that we typed in pickles with the keyboard, and then we're going to pretend we hit enter. Alright, so here you're provided with a little bit of information right off the bat. You get to see where Pickles is on the map, and you get to see a wait time. Alright, say that's good, but you want to know more, we can slide it up, and we can see all the different information that the GuideLine application has for Pickles on that day. So we have the specials, we have the DJ playing, the happy hour deals, which is exactly what a user using GuideLine would expect. All right, so say we're not exactly happy with what Pickles has to offer. We can go to check similar bars, and here we can see the relationship between different bars downtown and their wait times. So this could be beneficial if you don't want to wait for a long time, also depending on where you are on the map. Alright, but say after checking all this, we decide Pickles has the best wait time and we're closer to Pickles than Bar Blue. We're going to slide this back and we're going to click on Directions. So this would take you to Google Maps where you can, program in your starting point. Obviously, that's not part of the wireframe, but that would be in the full application. So we're going to click back. And now we embark on our journey to Pickles. And, that would be a very high-end use case for using our application. So I hope that this has been informative and you have a good understanding of what our application aims to do through this wireframe. Thank you for watching.